how to disable the background apps in Windows 11. This is what you will learn in this tutorial. Step 1 is to go to the Windows setting, and you can look for the settings here. If you don't see it, you can type here settings and you will see the settings here, and you can open these settings. In the settings, you need to click this apps towards the left hand side. Now the different links related to the apps will appear towards the right side. Right on the top you will see the installed apps. You need to click that and it will populate all the apps that are installed on your PC or laptop. In my case, you can see that there are 119 apps here. Now what you need to do, or in my case what I need to do, is to look for the apps that I want to disable. For example, if I go to the Gmail, in that case I only see that there is an option of uninstall, and even the modify option is disabled, which means that this app is not running in the background or does not run in the background, so it doesn't require to be let's say we don't need to disable this. See the apps that are running in the background and that are not. Now in case of a calculator, if I click on these three horizontal dots, I see an option of advanced options. So I need to click that, because in this advanced option I will see the option to disable the background. Right at here you will see that the background apps permission, let this app run in the background, and by default the recommended selecting is power optimized, and the other two settings are always and never. So you need to select this never, and that's it. And similarly, now you can go back and look for all the apps that you want to disable them to run in the background. One last thing, which is not directly linked to this tutorial, but I wanted that you should know, there is one more setting. If you do that setting, it will help you to improve the performance of your computer, and that is you need to just right click on the taskbar and click task manager. In the task manager you will see the startup apps, and here you will see the status of these apps. Some will be running, that means that some are enabled and some are disabled, which the enabled apps will restart once your PC will restart. So they will get loaded and they will be shown, they will use the background services. So the tip is that you select the app, and then you can do the right click and click select disabled, and that app will be excluded from your startup list, which means that it will not start up once your PC will start. That's it.